Hey, welcome back to the Amusement Archive. Today we got another Poppin the top off of Funko sodas. And today we got Disney villains. I'm so excited. I've been wanting to open these sodas for so long, especially Maleficent and Hades. Man, that is so cool. I actually have a box here from Key Tons of Fun. And there could be a soda in here. And it could be Disney related. But we're going to save this till the end because of how awesome it is. So we're going to start with these. I mean, I haven't pulled a chase in quite a while. So I need to get some new chases up here. What is the newest one? Maybe the Peter Pan one there? I don't know. But we're definitely due for a new chase. So let's check these out real quick. We got Maleficent here. 15,000 pieces. That's what the common looks like. We got Hades. This one's an international. And it's an 8,000 piece. 2022 Wondrous Convention right there. Pretty cool. So these both are villains. And then we got the Queen of Hearts Blacklight here. 10,000 pieces Funko. And this one I ordered on eBay and it actually came sealed or in the original Funko box. So this one definitely has a chance for a chase. We got the Alice in Wonderland here. So, pretty excited. I'm sure the chase is just a different color variation to this one. But, I mean, hopefully all these have a chance of a chase. I just haven't been having a lot of luck. All three of these came from somewhere different. So, that could be good. Let's start with Maleficent. Alright, we're going to start with Maleficent here. 2021 soda. Alright, let's see what we can get. I think she has like flames on her or something. Is the chase on this one? I'm so nervous. I mean, I don't know. The last time I got a chase might have been actually that on the Collector's Conquest, my other channel, I pulled a Miles Morales, so maybe that was my last chase. But let's see what we got here. Alright, I think I can just open this one up and not be spoiled. So we're just going to take it out and see which one, see if we got the chase. I mean, we're going to get the chase, right? 3, 2, boom! Oh, dang. That is pretty cool, though. It is the common. I know they have the 3-liter, and it's actually pretty affordable and awesome. But I just don't have room for 3 liters. And this is really cool. Pretty good detailed little soda here. I can dig it. 1 out of 12,500. We really want that Hades chase for sure, so we're going to hope for that one. Alright. Let's go for Queen of Hearts then, since we're hoping for that Hades chase. Queen of Hearts. 10,000 piece Funko Shop exclusive. Alice in Wonderland right there. So we're looking for different colors than this one. And I won't be able to feel the difference. But we'll be able to see the difference for sure. Pretty excited. Make sure you cover your sodas because you can accidentally look in. That just ruins the whole thing. All right. 3, 2, boom. I'm thinking that's the same colors. Dang. Are we going to have another episode with no chases? I mean, this is a pretty cool soda here, though. Blacklight. 1 out of 8,400 piece. Pretty dang cool. So we're down to Hades. Don't fail me now. I'm running out of Disney sodas that I haven't opened. We got the Hades here, 8,000. Wondrous Convention 2022 International. So yeah, like I said, I'm running out of Disney sodas that I haven't opened. There are some that I either got the common from Whatnot or something, or someone gifted me. So I could actually just rip those again sealed. But as for just like ones that I completely don't have, pretty slim. Something I really want is the Three Caballeros with Donald Duck and I think Jose. But those things can get pretty pricey. Alright, here we go. We got Hades, and he's going to be a different color. I'm nervous. 3, 2, boom! Oh no! Gosh. Man, another episode with no chases. Alright. We got the not so angry Hades right here. Because if he's angry, he's the red one. 1 out of 6,700 pieces. Pretty awesome. Alright, so what did Key Tons of Fun send me? We'll have to check that out right now. Maybe we'll fix our chase luck. Or cheat our chase luck. Alright, let's get into this box here. We got the Key Tons of Fun wrap on it. He sent me his 80s box. I never got the 80s box. They were sold out pretty quick. Which, any kind of current day mystery grail that sells out is a rarity nowadays. But here we go. I got some more tape to cut. Definitely check out Key Tons of Fun. Awesome channel. Keaton and Justin, they open sodas, Funko stuff, any kind of collectible. They also go out to different conventions and stuff. So definitely check out Key Tons of Fun. They'll be linked in my description. But this is what we got. We got this. What is this? Looks like a little bag tag or something. Key Tons of Fun Funko. Maybe that's their business card. Got a little QR code that you can probably get to their website. Oh, check it out. The Halloween Chase the Soda mascot. Key Tons of Fun with the vampire fangs and the Freddy crown. That's pretty awesome. What the heck? There's 2 in here. Alright, so here's the one that... This is going to be a trade. I traded another chase for this. I'm not going to tell you what I traded, but... So we got the Donald Duck chase right here. How awesome is that? And this is a 2022 soda. 7,500 on the full run. D23 Expo So this was the last D23 in 2022. That's what the common looks like. So let's check out the chase. We pulled a chase. Check it out. 1,250. This is Donald Duck with wooden sword. All right. And he's actually flocked too. So that's what makes it extra awesome. Got the flocked chase Donald Duck with the wooden sword there. Super cool. Man, I appreciate that. And I hope you like the soda that I will eventually send to you. Man, that is cool. So there's something else in here that I haven't looked at. We were only supposed to be trading one soda. So let's see what else he sent. Whoa, what is that? That's sealed. Holy moly. Crunchberry Beast. I don't even have this. Man, that's another ad icon. This is from 2020. 3,000 piece. 2020 summer convention. Do I even want to open this? What the heck? Oh my gosh. I mean, I guess I have to. Dang. Taking the seal off an OG soda here. This is awesome. Key tons of fun. Alright, so here's what the common looks like. There. What? I don't think there's a chase. Because there's no chase symbol. So we just got an awesome limited soda here. But this will go awesome with my ad icons. I just did an ad icons Funko soda video on my Collector's Conquest channel. Look at that. Wow, Crunchberry. And I just did a Jean Lafoot or whatever, and I believe he's part of the Cap'n Crunch. Whoa, two Pogs! Two Pogs!
Bet. I got two
Pogs, shelf, storage.
I got two
Pogs, tons of fun. How lucky did I get? 1 out of 3,000. So one of those 3,000 doesn't have a Pog because I have it. Look at that. Two Crunchberry monsters. This is awesome. Key tons of fun. Thanks a lot for sending the Crunchberry Beast over. That was an awesome gesture. And I hope you like whatever I send you whenever I send it. But man, this turned out to be a really good episode. All that stuff that Key Tons of Fun sent me definitely more than made up for my commons here. But even so, these are some amazing commons. Look at that. Disney villains. Amazing. And then we got the Blacklight one here. Queen of Hearts. But thanks for taking a trip with the Amusement Archive. I got tons of videos, so check the playlist. Find something you're interested in. Have some fun watching some videos. Please like and subscribe. Also, don't forget, check out Key Tons of Fun in the description. And I'll see you in the next video. Hey, this is the Amusement Archive. I'm glad you stuck around, watched this video. Hopefully you stick around and watch plenty more videos. I just want to know, what kind of videos do you guys like? Are you into the ride-throughs, walk-throughs, the tours of places? Are you into toy hunts for Disney stuff? Souvenir hunts at gift shops? I try to provide all that kind of stuff in these videos. Hopefully you guys like them. Also want to offer up, I got a free sticker here. It looks kind of like this unless I change the design, but you can check the description. Either email me, find me on Instagram, and send me your address. I'll send you out a free sticker. Definitely appreciate everyone watching my videos, and hopefully I can grow this channel and provide more cool stuff for everyone to watch. Later.